Welcome to Creature Feature Blah. Howdy ho, campers. Tonight we're doing a review, or a look, or a glance, or something. I waited till nighttime because it wouldn't show up too well in the daytime. This is my Luci light. It's 100% solar, and you see, maybe you can't see. See, it's a little flat piece. There's a inflatable thing here. But you don't actually blow air into it. You just squeeze and pull, and it expands. And there's a carry handle on the top and the bottom, so you can carry it around like a flashlight. It's really awesome. It's great to have. Our power's turned out all the time because I don't know if you can see. Our power's turned out. The power company's been changing poles and lines and doing stupid things that they should have done over the last 20 years. But now they're trying to do it all at once, so our power has been out a lot, like every 3 weeks overnight, for like overnight. Anyway, I've attached a carabiner. Actually, this is an S hook from Night Eyes that I'll probably add to this one. But the one thing I don't like is it deflates the little inflator nozzle. I have trouble making it stay in there so it doesn't sit flat. That's irritating, but you can hang it, you can set it on a table. Nice and bright white light. I love all that. Doesn't take any space in your saddlebags or backpack or anything. And they run like around the $20 range, I think. 15, 20, 25, 30. Do I have 30, 35, 40, 40? Anyway, I just bought a Goal Zero Yeti Goal Zero. It folds flat. Can you see? Keep forgetting you might not be able to see. It too, oops, has a hook at the top. Can you see the hook? But it also has a USB port here, so you can charge it USB or solar. There's the solar right there. Smaller solar panel, so it probably takes longer to charge. It's got the handle, which is removable. It's got a hook on each side, so you can hang it on a nail or something. It's like the folding cups that just collapse. So that's what it's like, collapsed. I don't have it. You see, this is already kind of deflating, and it's. Can you see that? Kind of. They're so awesome. If I could just. Anyway, this stays. Look at that. Solid as a rock. There's nothing to deflate. There's no air or anything. These run, they're about $20 on Amazon, but one of our local Ace Hardware stores had them for $16, and we snapped them up. Up to 35-hour runtime on low. Oh yeah. This has a button so you can push to check your battery on the Luci light. That's high. Emergency, 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 which is unnecessary. Low, high, which is pretty bright. Look at that. The Goal Zero, kind of a pain in the butt getting to the button sometimes. You have to fold it out to get to the button. I don't like that, but It starts off high and goes to medium and low. So a nice little night light. High, medium, low. High, medium, low. So yeah, the low's not much more than a night light. But high's not bad. And medium's not bad. Side by side. Both good lights. This has been really handy. We've had it for like 2 years now. And I would have actually bought a couple more except for this stupid little stem. So it doesn't sit flat, it doesn't keep air. So we tried a couple of these and I like the simplicity. I like that I can charge them via USB. I've never had this run out of juice, but I don't leave it on all night either. But they'll last quite a while. That's it. That's our Luci light, the infamous, famous Luci lights, and the Yeti Goal Zero. They're known for their charging stations, which will cost you an arm and a leg. And I assume it's the same Yeti that it's called a crush light, by the way. I assume it's the same Yeti that makes the overpriced coolers and drink bottles and all that. I'd love to have one of their chargers. Our generator can't afford one, but I can afford the light. And it's not folding. There we go. Anyway, look at that. You can do all kinds of things with it. This you can hang. Take what you want from all that. If you could even actually see me. I'm blind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.